Good morning, my dear students. I am Rasne Somnath, a lecturer from Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shivgaon. My subject is pharmacology and toxicology. Going to discuss with you a new topic, chemotherapy, and that chemotherapy unit consisting various chapters like that penicillins, then the semisynthetic penicillins, then macrolide antibiotics. Today I am going to discuss with macrolide antibiotics. In previous lecture explained that the penicillins and semisynthetic penicillin. Today I am going to discuss with you macrolide antibiotic chapter. Macrolide antibiotics. Introduction about the macrolide antibiotics. These macrolide antibiotics contain a large lactone ring in their structure. These macrolide antibiotics containing the large lactone ring in their structure are the present, and the important member of this group is erythromycin. Important member of this group is erythromycin. This is the example of macrolide antibiotic. For example, erythromycin. Erythromycin source. Erythromycin, these are the antibiotic in the class of macrolide antibiotic because that having presence of the large lactone ring. These erythromycin are the obtained from the fungus Streptomyces erythrus. These erythromycin are the source. It is obtaining from the fungus Streptomyces erythraeus. Then it is antibacterial activity. Sensitive organisms are gram-positive cocci, including staphylococci and pneumococci, and some strains of H. influenza and C. diphtheria. ही जी का erythromycin antibiotic drugs आहे, these are the antibiotic drug are used in the treatment of the various infection like that the staphylococci, pneumococci, and some strains of the H. influenza and C. diphtheria. This is the antibacterial activity are the showing these erythromycin antibiotic drugs. Then erythromycin mechanism of action. This erythromycin antibiotic drug it's act on the bacteriostatic in low concentration. जर कमी प्रमाणामध्ये आपण डोस घेतला एरिथ्रोमायसिनचा तर त्यावेळेस त्याचे मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ॲक्शन बॅक्टेरियोस्टॅटिक असेल. बॅक्टेरियोस्टॅटिक म्हणजे काय तर इट इनहिबिट्स दी ग्रोथ ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया. त्या ग्रोथची त्या बॅक्टेरियाची ग्रोथ ही इनहिबिट करायचं आहे तर त्याचं मेकॅनिझम हे एरिथ्रोमायसिन करते पण कधी कमी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनमध्ये कमी डोसमध्ये. बट इट हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन डोस आर द अचीव to that human body or administration showing that the bactericidal effect that having kill or destroy the microorganisms. तर जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये एरिथ्रोमायसिनचा डोस घेतला तर ती मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ॲक्शन बॅक्टेरियोसायडल दाखवतो. बॅक्टेरियोसायडल मीन्स इट किल और डिस्ट्रॉय द मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम्स. इट ॲक्ट्स बाय इनहिबिटिंग द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस बाय बॅक्टेरियल रायबोझोम्स. त्यामध्ये जे काय आहे to inhibit the protein synthesis by bacterial ribosomes. This is the mechanism of action of erythromycin antibiotic drug. These are the macrolide antibiotic. Then absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of the erythromycin antibiotic drugs. These antibiotic drugs mainly absorb from small intestine. ही जी काय एरिथ्रोमायसिन ड्रग आहे जरी ओरली घेतला तरी तो कुठे ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होणार आहे कुठे ॲब्सॉर्ब होणार आहे तर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाईनमध्ये ॲब्सॉर्ब होणार आहे. इट इज अ पार्टली इनॲक्टिवेटेड बाय गॅस्ट्रिक ज्यूस. इनॲक्टिवेटेड बाय इन द गॅस्ट्रिक ज्यूस readily diffuse into body fluids. Penetration into the cerebrospinal fluid poorly, but high concentration is reached in presence of meningeal inflammation and mostly eliminated in urine in a metabolized form. This is the ADME of the erythromycin antibiotic drug or the macrolide antibiotics drugs. Then adverse reaction of erythromycin. Nausea, vomiting, epigastric pain on oral administration. This is the ADR or adverse effect of this erythromycin antibiotic drug after that administration to the patient. Then also allergic reactions like fever, urticaria and dermatitis. Also these side effects are the showing after the administration of erythromycin antibiotic drugs. Then hepatic dysfunctions like cholestatic hepatitis and jaundice also. This is the adverse reaction of the erythromycin antibiotics. Then preparations and dose of the erythromycin. Erythromycin tablet 1 to 2 gram daily in divided dose. Then erythromycin ethyl succinate injection for intramuscular and intravenous injection. Then erythromycin glucoheptonate injection and erythromycin lactobionate injection are also in market and present. These injections are highly effective in low dose. These erythromycin are used in the treatment of various staphylococci infection or pneumococci infection. This is the preparation and dose of the erythromycin. Then therapeutic use of erythromycin in patient allergic to penicillin. पेनिसिलिनचा ॲलर्जी होत असेल एखाद्या पेशंटला त्यावेळेस हा इरेथ्रोमायसिन ड्रग दिला जातो. इन्फेक्शन कॉजेस बाय पेनिसिलिन रेजिस्टंट ऑर्गॅनिझम. पेनिसिलिन रेजिस्टंट ऑर्गॅनिझमने जर त्या पेशंटला इन्फेक्शन झालं असेल तर ते कमी करण्याचे कामसुद्धा इरेथ्रोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक ड्रग करतात. दिस इरेथ्रोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक ड्रग आर यूज इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डायप्थेरिया and prophylaxis against rheumatic fever. This is the therapeutic uses of erythromycin antibiotic drugs. This is all about the macrolide antibiotics. Then newer macrolides are also available in the market. Newer macrolides. The drawbacks of erythromycin are, these are the narrow spectrum, then gastric irritation, poor tissue penetration, short half-life. So newer macrolides were synthesized in order to overcome all these problems. हे सर्व प्रॉब्लेम कमी करण्यासाठी न्यूअर मायक्रोलाइड सिंथेसिस केले. द न्यूअर मायक्रोलाइड्स आर दी रॉक्झिथ्रोमायसिन, क्लॅरिथ्रोमायसिन अँड ॲझिथ्रोमायसिन. These are the newer macrolides to overcome all about the drawbacks of erythromycin, like that narrow spectrum, gastric irritation, poor tissue penetration, short half-life. All these overcome are of this problem of the erythromycin. The newer macrolides are the roxithromycin, clarithromycin and azithromycin. One by one discuss roxithromycin. This roxithromycin, it is a semi-synthetic long-acting macrolide antibiotic drugs. Antibacterial spectrum resembles erythromycin. This roxithromycin antibiotic drug is more effective against Legionella but less effective against B. pertussis in bacterial infection. हे जी काय बॅक्टेरियलची वेगवेगळे इन्फेक्शन्स आहेत तर त्यासाठी रॉक्झिथ्रोमायसिन कमी इफेक्टिव्ह, इट इज अ मोर इफेक्टिव्ह अगेन Legionella but less effective again B. pertussis. It is an alternate to erythromycin in respiratory, genital tract and skin infection are also used of these roxithromycin newer macrolide antibiotic drugs. These are the semi-synthetic macrolide antibacterial spectrum resembling to that erythromycin. It is the more effective again Legionella bacterial infection but less effective again B. pertussis infection. It is an alternate to erythromycin in respiratory tract infection, genital tract infection and skin infection. Then another newer macrolides, clarithromycin. Clarithromycin, it is a newer macrolide with antimicrobial spectrum similar to that erythromycin, and this clarithromycin is effective against Mycobacterium avium complex means MAC and other atypical mycobacteria. These clarithromycin are the useful in the treatment of respiratory tract infections, skin infection, sinusitis and otitis. These infections are treated by using this clarithromycin antibiotic drug. Then last, newer macrolides, azithromycin. Azithromycin, it belongs to new group known as azhalide group. These azithromycin are the new group, it's known as the azhalide group. It different from macrolides in that lactone ring contain a nitrogen atom. So it is an azhalide congeners of erythromycin. It has a similar action as erythromycin, but it acts against certain gram-negative bacteria also. Also, it has a better tissue penetration and it is effective against respiratory tract infection, cervicitis and urethritis. जे काय वेगवेगळे इन्फेक्शन्स आहे, रिस्पायरेटरी ट्रॅक इन्फेक्शन असेल, सर्व्हिकलमध्ये इन्फेक्शन असेल किंवा युरेनरी ब्लॅडरमध्ये इन्फेक्शन असेल किंवा युरेटरमध्ये इन्फेक्शन जे असेल ते कमी करण्यासाठी ह्या ॲझिथ्रोमायसिनच्या अँटीबायोटिकचा यूज केला जातो. इट इज इफेक्टिव्ह अगेन्स्ट रिस्पायरेटरी ट्रॅक इन्फेक्शन, सर्व्हिसिटिस अँड युरेथ्रिटिस. So this is the azithromycin and all of the newer macrolides. Then miscellaneous antibiotics or other antibiotics such as lincomycin. Lincomycin, source of lincomycin, it is produced by the Streptomyces lincolensis. These lincomycin are produced from the Streptomyces lincolensis. Then antibacterial activity of lincomycin, it is a mainly bacteriostatic in action, but it is effective against gram-positive organism like streptococci, staphylococci and pneumococci infection against only. These lincomycin antibiotic or other antibiotic drug are used in the treatment of the gram-positive organism like staphylococci, streptococci, staphylococci and pneumococci. Then mechanism of action of lincomycin, it acts by inhibiting the protein synthesis by bacterial ribosomes. त्या बॅक्टेरियाचं जे काय प्रोटीन्स आहे ते प्रोटीनचं इनिबिशन करायचं आहे. दिस इज द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ॲक्शन ऑफ लिंकोमायसिन. देन ADME of lincomycin, it is orally effective of this lincomycin antibiotic drug. It is distributed in liver, spleen, kidney and lungs. It does not bind to CSF except in meningeal infection. Adverse reaction of the lincomycin, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and abdominal pain. Then jaundice, leukopenia, neutropenia. Then ptosis, proctitis and vaginitis infection. This is the adverse reactions of the lincomycin antibiotic drug. And also dizziness, headache and body ache. All about the adverse reaction of the lincomycin antibiotic drugs. Then preparations and dose of the lincomycin drug. Lincomycin hydrochloride monohydrate tablet 500 milligram 3 to 4 times per daily. Therapeutic uses, infection resistance to penicillin and erythromycin. कंटिन्युअसली पेनिसिलिन आणि एरिथ्रोमायसिनचा जर डोस घेतला असेल त्यापासून कोणत्याही प्रकारचा इफेक्ट मिळत नसेल तर त्यावेळेस लिंकोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक ड्रग दिला जातो. इंडिव्हिज्युअल ॲलर्जिक टू पेनिसिलिन अँड एरिथ्रोमायसिन जरी असेल त्यावेळेसही लिंकोमायसिन ड्रग दिला जातो. किंवा ॲक्यूट अँड क्रोनिक ऑस्टिओमायलायटिसचं इन्फेक्शन झालं असेल तर त्यासाठीही लिंकोमायसिन ड्रग दिला जातो. देन another other antibiotic, for example vancomycin. Vancomycin, it is an antibiotic obtaining from the fungus Streptomyces orientalis. Streptomyces orientalis पासून ह्या फंगस पासून vancomycin antibiotic तयार करतात. It is the bactericidal and act by inhibiting the cell wall synthesis. This vancomycin, it's effective against gram-positive organism only. It's not against effective against gram-negative organism. It is ineffective orally. Also, it produces pain on intramuscular injection. हे जे काही व्हॅन्कोमायसिन अँटीबायोटिक आहे ते ओरली इफेक्टिव्ह नाही आहे त्यामुळे ते इंट्रामस्क्युलरली दिलं जातं, पण इंट्रामस्क्युलर देत असताना सुद्धा त्यावेळेस पेन प्रोड्यूस होती. सो इट इज ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बाय इंट्राव्हेनस इंजेक्शन ॲट अ डोस ऑफ 2 ग्रॅम डेली. Then another drugs, fusidine. Fusidine, the fungus Fusidium coccineum produce fusidic acid. Fusidine is the sodium salt of fusidic acid. It has a steroidal in structure, but it does not have any hormonal effect are the showing. Fusidine is effective against gram-positive organism and Neisseria bacteria. It acts synergistically with penicillin and erythromycin. Adverse reactions of this fusidine antibiotic drug. These fusidine are the gastrointestinal disturbances and local irritation on parenteral administration. This is the ADR of the fusidine. And then last, antibiotic drug or the antibiotic or miscellaneous antibiotic bacitracin. This bacitracin is a polypeptide antibiotic obtaining from Bacillus subtilis. Its structures contain a thiazolidine ring. It has an antibacterial spectrum similar to that penicillin antibiotic. Like penicillin acts by inhibiting the cell wall synthesis also. Resistance for bactericin does not readily occur. Being a polypeptide and it is ineffective orally, so it is administration by intramuscular injection. So this bacitracin are the administration by only intramuscularly injection because it is ineffective in orally administration. Adverse reaction of the bacitracin: nitrogen retention, anorexia, nausea and albuminuria. This is the adverse reaction of the bacitracin antibiotics. And our uses of this bacitracin antibiotic are used in the topical application for dressing wounds and as an intestinal antiseptic. This is the uses of the other antibiotics or uses of the bacitracin antibiotics. Thank you so much.